Hello, my name is Glenn with Delta Scientific. Welcome back to our YouTube channel here. Today I'd like to talk about installing safety bars. All of our wedge barriers have a form of safety bar that we want you to install prior to getting underneath or around the barriers, okay? This is pretty simple installation. Obviously, this is a demonstrator model, not concreted in, but when you're working with these, you're gonna be pretty close to the barrier. You're gonna set this right up here like this, and you're going to install the bolt from the top side, keeping your hands and feet safely away from any pinch points. Once you have this installed by hand, you can tighten it up with a wrench, and then you can bleed off the hydraulic pressure and set the barrier gently down on the safety bars, and now you are free to work around the barriers. Do not get under the barriers or reach under the barriers to get your cell phone without putting these bars in place.
Drop a comment below with a question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.